우리 집 강아지 귀여워.
Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. My little mouse! You got it. Osiris, you're taking so freaking long. Come here. Oh, there you go. Good girl, let's go home. Good job. You did good, babe.
The dog said yes.
Bless you. Bless you. You good? Good morning. Good morning.
안 돼.
Uno's missing a bunch of his teeth, so he has to eat really delicately. Good job.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
What? Oh my God! This way, come here. Come here. Levi, this way. Right here. Right here.
You're too stinky. Little pinhead. She's so fat. Oh my God. So Luke found a new hiding place, which is under the dresser. And I think she's gonna try and fit the poop scoop under the dresser. You're doing great, sweetie. You're doing great. You're doing amazing. Oh, yes.
냥냥이에요. 귀여운 얼굴 수염도 있고
Oh my God! You're coming! You're coming after me! I don't know! Oh Jesus! Oh my God! There's you coming! Oh my God! You're gonna eat me alive! I don't know what to do! Oh my God! That one's coming! Oh my God! Oh God! Oh! Hi!
Don't get a Doberman, they said. They're vicious, they said. Come on.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
I have a delivery for somebody sad. Someone who is currently sad. I have a delivery. Oh, hey! Are you sad? Oh, no worries. I have a package for you. I said it other way. That way.